What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview, guys. Yesterday I gave you short, simple, sweet, and to the point where we're going to play around 48.30 was going to be that level. And if you see, it took us all day to get up there. It took us all day to finally get a reject at the very end of the day. Right? You guys can see this in here. Very, very late reject end of the day. So, what does that mean for tomorrow? Well, the only thing I can tell you on the daily chart here, really quickly before we get onto the data, which I don't think there really is any tomorrow, is this. You are seeing some bearish divergence. You are seeing some decreasing volume on this move back higher, right? Is the Santa rally over? I have no idea. Tomorrow, though, only thing you have to worry about is some Dallas Fed or some Dallas Fed Services revenues, et cetera. Nothing at all, I believe. Actually, there's a big old nothing burger tomorrow. Yep. Nothing scheduled Thursday is the jobless claims. Now, as far as tomorrow is concerned, we can see, right? Definitely have some RSI divergence here, right? It's just cooling off. Now, is that just because it's cooling off? And we're going to rip higher. I don't know. This looks like a very classic bear flag that has formed here, 100% retracement. So it's going to be about 48.30 overnight, 48.30 overnight. Let's see. Underneath that, we'll look for rejects into that tomorrow. If we open up above it, we'll look to back test and see if we can go, right? If not, levels to the downside, 47.85, 47.50 under there. Onto the SPY chart now. Going to look almost identical, right? Pretty much identical here. We went up. Pretty much made that new high, right? Pretty much made that new high. We'll get rid of this here. We're just going to put this one on here because you can see the body of the candle never got there. 476, 476 going to be that big level. We have 478, 480. 480 is going to be the all-time high above there. So if we open up above 476, look for the dips back into 476 to hold. If we open up underneath, look for the rejects into their levels to downside, 473, 468 underneath. Okay, QQQ. What's going on in tech world? Held above that previous all-time high and held above. So tomorrow, same thing. Is this a bear flag playing out to reject, or are we actually just going to be melting higher on a Santa rally? We're going to watch 410.50 back test 410.50. If we open above that, look for that level to hold and go higher. If we open below it, look for rejects into that level. Big downside levels 406, 403, 400. On QQQ and IWM last, but not least went right to that 405, almost 405, right? 405, 205, 204.50. We got the 204.50 here. Today's action, we got to that 203. So tomorrow we about 205, 205. You guys see 204.80 to 204.50. That's a big level we're going to have. If that gets passed to the upside, we can see we have broken out of this little balance zone. Let's see if 209, 210 can't come tomorrow. We'll be watching for the back test into 202, 203. If that holds, look for the test of 205 to the upside. Underneath 202, can watch 199, 196 underneath there. Guys, that's all I got for you. Like I said, this week, you should be doing less, spending time with family, one trade in the morning. If you have to, you can see volume was abysmal. There wasn't really a big move in the markets at all anywhere across the board. Guys, that's all I got for you. As always, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.